Physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals exist either in solid or gaseous state, with the exception of bromine that exists in liquid state. Non-metals usually do not have luster. Iodine is the only non-metal that has luster. Non-metals do not possess the property of hardness, except carbon in the form of diamond. Diamond form of carbon is the hardest substance known. It also has a high boiling and melting point. Non-metals are non-conductors of electricity, with the exception of graphite, another allotrope of carbon.